Welcome to our channel. As a part of DevOps Learning Roadmap series, today we are going to see the 12 principles of DevOps. Customer-centric action. Focus on delivering value to the customer by understanding their needs and preferences. End-to-end responsibility. Promote collaboration and accountability across teams to ensure the entire delivery process is smooth. Continuous integration. Integrate code changes frequently to detect and address issues early on. Automation. Automate repetitive tasks to increase efficiency and reduce errors. Continuous testing. Implement automated testing at every stage to maintain software quality. Continuous monitoring. Monitor system performance and user feedback to identify and resolve issues promptly. Collaboration. Foster a culture of collaboration and knowledge sharing between development and operation teams. Continuous learning. Encourage ongoing learning and improvement through regular reflection and experimentation. High trust environment. Build a trusting and supportive work environment that encourages innovation and risk taking. Infrastructure as code. Manage infrastructure through code to ensure consistency, scalability, and reproducibility. Security. Embed security practices throughout the development process to protect data and systems. Shared metrics. Define and measure common metrics to align goals and track progress across teams.